like and unlike fractions. Two or more fractions with the same denominator. Here we have 4 by 4 means all part, whole part. 1 by 4 means one part of the whole part. 2 by 4 means two part of the whole part. 3 by 4 means three part by the whole part. So whenever we have same denominators like 4, 4, 4, 4, so these are called like fractions. Again, this is numerator, denominator. One part is shaded, means out of 4, here we have shaded part is 1. So it is 1 by 4. Out of 4, here we have two shaded part. So it is 2 by 4. So these all are like fractions. 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4. Like that they all are called like fractions. Two or more fractions with different denominators are called unlike fractions. Now here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 parts whole. Out of that 6 part, 1 is shaded. So fraction will be 1 upon 6. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 whole parts. Out of that 2 are shaded. So fraction will be 2 upon 7. Here we have 12 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Out of 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 parts are shaded. So fraction will be 5 upon 12 or 5 by 12. Here we have 8 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Out of 8, 3 parts are shaded. 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 upon 8. Now here we have different denominator. Means 1 by 6, 2 by 7, 5 by 12, 3 by 8. They all are unlike fractions. Again I repeat, same denominator, like fractions, and different denominator, we have unlike fractions. Kids, here we have comparison of like fractions. Means we have to compare 3 upon 9 and 5 upon 9. Which one is bigger one? What we have to compare? We have to compare 3 upon 9 and 5 upon 9. Which one is bigger one? Now look at here. We have 9 part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here we are shading 3 parts. 1, 2, 3. So we have shaded 3 parts here. And here we have 9. We have shaded 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now here we have 3 upon 9. Here we have 5 upon 9. Now which part is bigger one? Now so you compare this. If you are making like that, again I am making it like 3 upon 9 and 5 upon 9. So here we have 3 upon 9, 5 upon 9. 2 part, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2 part, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now shade 3 part 1, 2, 3. Now here you shade 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now look at here. Which one is bigger part? 5 upon 9. So crocodile mouth will be like that. Now this is clear. Whenever we have same denominator and we have to compare, so bigger numerator is the greater one. Whenever we have same denominator, we have to compare. Bigger means here 3 upon 5. So bigger one is the greater one. Now look at here. Bigger numerator is the greater. Bigger numerator is the greater. Comparison of like fraction. These are like fractions as their denominators are same. Whenever we have same denominator, that are called like fraction. So now here again I am giving you two. 3 upon 6 and 2 upon 6. Here we have 4 upon 9 and we have 3 upon 9. So they both are like fractions. Like fractions means same denominator. So the greater numerator is the greater fact. Greater numerator is greater fraction. This is greater numerator is the greater fraction. Greater fraction in like fractions. Now we have ascending and descending order of like fraction. Means 4 by 8, 3 by 8, 6 by 8, 1 upon 8, 2 upon 8. Now denominator are same. So these are like fractions. How to make ascending order? Ascending order, you all know that smaller to bigger. Smaller to bigger. So which one is smaller? That one is smaller. 1 by 8. Now which one is greater than 1 by 8? 2 by 8. So you have to put sign like that. Greater than. Then 3 by 8. Then we have 4 by 8. And then 6 by 8. So now here greater part, greater number of numerator is the greater one. I told you in like fraction. So here all are like fraction as they have same denominator. So what? This one is the smallest one. 1 by 8. Then greater 1. After 1, 2 by 8. After that 3 by 8. After that 4 by 8. And after that 6 by 8. Now descending order means bigger to smaller. Bigger to smaller. So which one is bigger now? This one is bigger. 6 by 8. So this one is bigger. Put sign like that. Now sign is here. This one is bigger. Now this one is bigger. Then after that 4 by 8. After that 3 by 8. Then 2 by 8. At the end we have 1 by 8. So very simple. Whenever we have like fractions, we have to do it like ascending order, smaller to bigger. So this one is a smaller number with smallest numerator is the smaller fraction. So 1 upon 8 is smaller, then 2 upon 8, then 3 by 8, then 4 by 8, then 6 by 8. Then descending order, bigger to smaller. 6 by 8 is the bigger one, then 4 by 8, then 3 by 8, then 2 by 8, then 1 by 8.